Terms and conditions apply. Are you the decision maker in your company? Consider this. For the first time in decades, there's a better option for a corporate card and spend management platform. Meet RAM, the only corporate card and spend management system designed to help you can make more. Most corporate credit cards offer points and incentives, but those points amount to less than their worth in real cash value. Ram's business cards offer you cash back, rewards in your pocket. Plus, you control who spends what with each vendor. And RAM software collects and verifies receipts automatically, which means you'll stop wasteful spending and close your books in hours instead of days. This is RAM had a good 3.5% for bottom line first year. If you're a decision maker, adding RAM could be one of the best decisions you've ever made. And now get $250 when you join RAM. Just go to ramp.com/free. 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 Everybody knows Jackson's where you go for the best casino action, best food, and best prizes. Here, you can to know this month. The best place to celebrate Memorial Day is Jackson. Drive off in a brand new Ford Explorer when playing our Memorial Day Drive Away promotion, Monday, May 29th. The best place to win is Jackson. Rewards member. Scratch your way to $5,000 cash. Sunday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. The best table games are at Jackson. It's a table games extravaganza. You could win a share of $2,000 in promo chips. Sunday, 1 to 5 p.m. Let's go. Jackson Rancheria Casino Resort, located in beautiful Amador County. Let's go. Congress has approved $80 billion for their swift IRS deployment. Now, this Army of Specialty Trained Agents are seeking out their quarry.
It's Mike Cornell, best-selling author and CEO of Sacramento Tax Resolution. Due to the recent storms, the IRS has extended the Fresh Start program. If you owe the IRS rebate over $10,000 for unfiled returns or payroll taxes, you can settle your entire tax debt, including penalties and interest, for up to 85% off the amount you owe if you qualify. If you're not happy within 30 days of hiring us, get your money back guaranteed. Randall owed the IRS $186,200. Please settle for only $1,200. Juan owed the IRS $42,150. Please settle for $6,500. Call 916-619-3220 right now. The next 5 callers get a free tax debt consultation, a free copy of my best-selling book dealing with the IRS, and a free transcript evaluation, a $1,500 value. Call 916-619-3220 now. That's 916-619-3220. Sacramento Tax Resolution.
Residents of Elk Grove, what is SB 1383? It's a new state law to help reduce organic food waste, about 18% of what is disposed in a landfill, and lower greenhouse gas emissions. Visit elkgrovecity.org/recycle.
Listening to this station on your free iHeartRadio app could put $5,000 in your pocket.
No way! Are you kidding me?
Open your app and search the station to be instantly qualified for the cash.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Download the free iHeartRadio app for all the music, radio, and podcasts you love.
Investments are a big part of your financial picture and can raise big questions for even the most diligent savers. I'm Scott Hansen with All Risk Financial, and at our new in-person workshop, we'll answer the 4 most common investment questions revealed by our own nationwide study, touching on key topics like generating passive income in retirement, making the most of cash on hand, the Secure Act 2.0 and Roth conversions, and more. Register for a free Greater Sacramento Regional Workshop near you at allriskfinancial.com.
KFBK, Sacramento, KFL, all kinds of news, traffic, and weather.
KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Good morning, 9 o'clock on this Friday, April 28th. Congratulations, you made it through the week. The debrief's coming up in about a minute. First, a couple of headlines. I'm Christine Renata.
I'm Sam King. Governor Newsom's campaign says the governor is in Washington, D.C. this morning raising money for President Biden's re-election campaign amid a report from Bloomberg News that those party leaders are concerned about a lack of money being donated to the campaign. Bloomberg says party leaders are disappointed at the level of disinterest in Biden's announcement that he's running for re-election.
The Sacramento Kings will head to San Francisco later today for Game 6 in their playoff series with the Golden State Warriors. It starts at 5 o'clock in the Chase Center. It will be broadcast on ESPN and NBC Sports. There will be a watch party for Kings fans at Golden One Center. Kings are down 3 games to 2. If Game 7 is needed, it will be Sunday at Golden One Center.
Out to the roads we go to check in with Roy Lamella.
This report sponsored by the Truth with Lisa Booth podcast. Southbound Cap City Freeway, right at Watt Avenue, due reports of an accident over to the right shoulder. That has you backed up to the Cap City Freeway split. Lisa Booth, you live in a society where race trumps marriage. New York Times bestselling author Heather McDonald joins Lisa to talk about why it matters. Listen to the Truth with Lisa Booth anywhere you get your podcasts. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. Roy Lamella, KPK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Another couple warm days ahead with sunshine today and tomorrow. Highs 90 to 94, clear tonight 54 to 58, and then 89 to 93 for highs tomorrow. I'm AccuWeather's meteorologist Jeff Nordine on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
We had a lot of very interesting sound, I thought, this morning. The audio clips all morning long. 805 featured audio clip was the question that was asked by at the White House during a joint press conference that included President Biden and the President of South Korea, and it was a very interesting question until we all found out that the LA Times had actually fed the question prior to the news conference to the Biden administration. They drew up a cheat sheet, and it was listed on a cheat sheet that was photographed at the news conference.
Right.
So that was our featured audio clip at 8:05. And by the way, the LA Times said, no, we didn't do that. We weren't feeding questions, and they gave a really rather odd response.
The White House press corps not happy. There are a lot of them who are very upset about this.
Yes.
CNN's commentator, a guy named, his name is Scott. Summers, thank you. He took Randy Weingarten on to her face. Randy Weingarten is, of course, the head of the huge American Teachers Labor Union. She testified in Congress this week that she never wanted to close schools. She wanted to keep them open. I mean, just gaslighting just par excellence. And he took her on CNN and just said he was shocked that she had said this. He said, I hear no remorse whatsoever about the generational damage that's being done. It's the first time that I've seen her taken on face-to-face live with someone.
And on CNN, nonetheless.
On CNN.
Yeah.
CNN commentator.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. We rolled out an audio clip from a guy from ESPN who covers Major League Baseball, and he's talking a little bit about the news that we received this past week about the A's have bought land in Las Vegas. Some are suggesting that it's for them to eventually build a stadium and move to Las Vegas. This ESPN baseball analyst is suggesting that maybe the A's are using this as leverage, and they're trying to use this as a negotiating tool in order to get the city of Oakland to build them a ballpark in Oakland.
Yeah.
And you and I were wondering if that really is the case, because the city of Oakland has a budget issue, number one. We don't even know how they can afford to build a ballpark.
And the A's have an attendance issue.
Yes, they do.
So,
but the A's fans, the loyal fans out there, are determined to try to keep that team here. So this story's not over.
All right, Bill Miranda joins us to talk about Game 5. We broke down Game 5, and of course, looking ahead at Game 6, which happens today, 5 o'clock. In San Francisco, and he, talked about what needs to be done for the Kings to be able to pull it out. He said, look for the Kings to be successful if they can get on the board early.
That's right.
They need to score early.
Quick start, they could win 6 and then come back here for 7, so we shall see. You can imagine Monday morning we're going to have the very latest on whatever happens to our Kings. We're all crossing our fingers.
Right.
We hope you have a great weekend. The weather looks great. We hope you can join us on Monday morning. We're back here.
I'm Christina Mendonca. You have a great weekend.
Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news.
Watch out. Construction on road ahead.
KFBK News Radio. Sacramento's news, traffic, and weather station.
Homeowner Robert Azevedo for Hall's Window Center.
I grew up on a ranch. I remember looking out that picture window, and I really wanted to replicate that. And working with Hall, they did it too.
Take it from me, Kitty O'Neill. Get on Hall's appointment calendar today. Purchase now and enjoy $150 off per window and $500 off per patio door.
We were very pleased with the outcome and the service that Hall provided.
Schedule your appointment at hallswindowcenter.com today.
U.S. Bank is ranked #1 in customer satisfaction with retail banking in California by J.D. Power.
To Californians everywhere, we've been proud to help you plan, budget, and save smarter. Our goal tracking and budgeting tools would have no place to shine if it weren't for you, and we can't thank you enough for that. And thank you to our real-life humans who go above and beyond for our customers every day.
Bravo, USA, bravo!
For J.D. Power 2023 award information, visit jdpower.com/awards. Member FDIC.
Your Train performed their smash hits on Saturday, April 29th. 6. Luck out with the Black Rose. Get your tickets now for these amazing shows coming to the venue at ThunderValleyResort.com.
When you're at home, you can always listen to KFBK. Just ask your smart speaker, Alexa, play KFBK on iHeartRadio.
Friday edition of the Clay Travis and Buck Sexton Show starts right now. Clay taking a day off to the family. I'm in solo today. It is a Friday, so let's keep those lines wide open. 800-282-2882. We've got a lot to dive into together. Even White House officials starting to leak to some outlets that they're kind of worried about the fact that Joe Biden can only have meetings during a few hours a day. And Joe Rogan weighed in on the Biden situation. You're going to want to hear that soundbite from him in just a little bit. Randy Weingarten, the chief commissar of the teachers union, relying so much on the issue of school closures yesterday. And the whole thing, he admits rewrite history. These people who were so sluggish and vicious and nasty Democrats in their shutdown, continued shutdown of the schools. You know, I know they try to muddy the waters by saying, oh, look at all these people who shut down. Shutting down in March of 2020 is not the same thing as shutting down in September of that year, and then January of the following year, and the following September. We will discuss some of this. They're hoping that we have RFK sit down, or I should say, interview for the first thing. We had the RFK interview yesterday with Clay. He went on ABC. Guess what? They're still doing we cannot allow these false claims to be aired on our station. Discuss that. I got and I can get to that later today. Let's start with what happened that you need to know about or what is in progress right now. So let's just do a quick review here. There was a series of bank failures. They said that don't worry, the domino effect. What can happen next? People get really freaked out about this, right? Because it affects the money that you put in the bank. It's a big deal. Understand it. Biden saying, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, Bub, Jack, buddy. We got it covered. Right? That's what Biden was telling you, know. We're gonna make the bank stable. And he does it big. And it turns out the bank will be first Republic bank. So I don't know. I can't look at the balance sheets of all these banks. I don't know what they did and how on the road interest rate rise they've gotten. But I'll sit around and say, hey, what could trigger a descent into a a clear and rough recession, it's something like this. It's a bank that is on the edge of failure, or perhaps additional banks that will now be shown to be shaky and on the edge of failure. That, my friend, is how you can find yourself in the midst of a recession so bad that Biden and Trump up in the air and the whole White House apparatus will have to say to you, oh yeah, you have this thing. This isn't a bad. Well, they won't admit that, but they'll say this is not good. The economy is in a bad place. So I'm not sure that's going to happen. It might take a little while longer. I hope it doesn't happen, because a recession means job loss. It means economic anxiety and even disruption for people. It can mean the end of businesses and people's dreams being shattered. Recession is an ugly thing, but it increasingly looks like it is inevitable based on the policies and based on the decision-making that we have seen from the people who are in charge in this White House and what they've been doing and how they have been operating.